What's up, beautiful, wonderful, peace-loving people? It's me, your one and only King KC Joe. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to make your first $100+ online doing micro jobs. Like follow this person online, follow that person online, watch this YouTube channel, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like a Facebook page. As simple task as that. As I call micro jobs. So this site we are going to be using is called picoworkers. Guys, if you're watching my video for the first time, unlike that subscribe button and light up and the like button. I actually mean you should smash the like button and the subscribe button. Smash it as hard as you can. Yeah, I like it like that, because whenever I do such things, it helps promote my video, like it helps lift this video up and put it in the face of people who need it the most. Let's go into this detail. So, actually, we are going to be using picoworkers, guys. I don't expect you to skip this video or just jump out of the video and go search for the app. No, the site. No. I'm not keeping you here because I want to get views. I want to give you vital information that is going to change your life for good, man. Yeah, so stick with me, guys. I'm going to show you how to make money using picoworkers, and I'm still going to show you a bonus tip. You don't want to miss this part. If you miss this part, you have yourself to blame. Seriously, you have yourself to blame. Okay, let's go to picoworkers. Picoworkers search. Okay, right here you see picoworkers. So for those of you who don't have a picoworker account, what I do, you just need to sign up to picoworker. I already have a picoworker account, so I'm not going to take you through that process because it's not allowed to have like two accounts. Let me just show you how the inside is. So we're going to create a picoworkers account. So we're going to be working on picoworkers. Like you're gonna make a big damn money, man. A good damn money, man. You're gonna be rich, famous, man. But this bonus tip I'm gonna give you. So you want to put in your Gmail, your nickname, your password, select your country, agree to picoworkers terms of service and privacy policy, send menus, events and offers via periodic email, then hit the sign up button and let's go, guys. Tell me when you're done filling the form. Are you done? Okay, you put in your email. Okay, you're done with the nickname. Okay, you're done with the password. You just selected your country. You agreed. You've signed up. Let's move on to my account and let me show you how you can make your first dollar online using picoworkers. Let's go, guys. Come on, man. Yeah. Like I've got no room to spend time, cause every time we're using the money, sure you know. Yeah, you really know. I got no time to waste. Money comes first. Money comes first. I use my time and making money. Okay, say, if you think I'm a good singer, because I'm a singer, writer, actor, producer, content creator, developer, influencer, marketing strategist. If you think I'm a good singer, please leave a comment below saying #make money online. So, okay, we're in my account right now and I've made a lot of money with this picoworker account. But I place campaigns, I post jobs. You can post job right here and people complete my job for me, as simple as that. So I've made up to $10 using picoworkers. I signed up for picoworkers not too long ago. So that's currently I have $1 in the spendable. I just transferred it from the end to spendable. It's very possible. It doesn't take time. Boom, you transfer it. So I have $1 in the spendable account. I have 20 cents in the end account. I have 42 cents in the pending account. Those 42 cents are still pending. They have not approved it yet. So now I'm going to show you how you are going to start earning money on picoworkers. Like you can see, start click, sign up, 8 cents. Start click, sign up, 10 cents. Gmail create an account, 8 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 cents. Damn. So this is it, guys. So we are going to be making the money from here. So I'm going to take you over and I'm going to create one Gmail account with you to oh no, I'm not going to do that. I don't want to take much of a time. I don't want to waste that, I'm just going to tell you how it works, so you can just come here and do it for yourself. So check in the description below. I'm going to leave like a ton of links there, and I'm going to name them one by one. picoworkers. Make sure you register through the link below. Yeah. So let me click this Gmail create an account. I know you guys should know how to create a Gmail account. So when you create a Gmail account, submit the required proofs right here. You earn yourself 8 cents, and you can do this like you can do at least 1,000 jobs a day, and maybe you can make up to $50 or maybe $30 per day. Just check that. $30 times 30 times 30. You go ahead and check that. I don't have time to check that, man. That's about $3,000 per month. Okay, I don't want to check that now. So seriously, is it $300, $3,000 per month, or $300 per month? I don't know. I don't want to go into that for now. So what is expected from workers? Go to gmail.com, create a new Gmail account with an English name, set recovery Gmail as so bam. Remove Gmail from your device, most importantly, which means after you create the Gmail account, you want to log in from your device. Is that understood? Then go to where you add the account, like remove the Gmail from your phone, from your device. Okay, so required proof that task was finished, the email address created, the password created. Submit proofs below. So once you submit the proofs right here, like here, you're going to put in the email address you created, and the second box you're going to put in the password you created, and you're going to tap on this submit button right here. Boom. And what's going to happen is that this 8 cents is going to be added on this pending pending cash we have right here. So assuming I did this job, and this 8 cents will be added to this 42 cents, which is going to make it a total of 50 cents. So guys, that's how easy it is. Start making your first dollars online. Like seriously, who doesn't want to make first dollar online? So there's this bonus tip. I'm going to show you how to make yeah, I don't want to bust your mind. Okay, say we're gonna put it on low. How to make $3 per day, $3 per day, promoting CPA offers on picoworkers, guys. Yeah, like we're actually going to sign up for Hard Work Media or CPA Grape or Warrior Plus, or there's a lot of network of affiliate networks out there that you can promote their offers on picoworkers, guys. So just check in the description below. You see the link right there. I will leave a Hard Work Media link, sign up link right there, and our picoworker sign up link right there. So guys, this is all you need. So actually, if you don't want to waste money, because you can deposit some money and pay people to actually complete offers for you, you get paid. Let me give you an insight now. Okay, for instance, you are promoting a particular US offer. Yeah, United States offer that is going to pay you $2.40 per lead. So if a particular traffic completes that offer, you get $2.40. Assuming you are paying people on this site 20 cents, yeah, 20 cents or 10 cents to complete that offer. Let's say you are paying them 40 cents to complete an offer. So for each person that completes an offer, you get $2. So calculate that. Let me say you placed a job for 100 people. So you are going to be making about $200. Guys, this is cool cash, cool cash. If you like this video and you find it helpful, please leave a comment below saying #make money online. Give me a thumbs up, yeah, and hit that subscribe button below. Make sure you turn the light off, turn on the notification button, so whenever I post such awesome content, you will be the first to get notified, and actually that means you'll be the first to make the most money out of that idea. Okay guys, that's all for now. See you in the next video. God bless.